We're a music school and recording studio, and we specialise in private tuition and band programs. Through writing original music, our students learn how to create together and work together as a team. We provide opportunities for live performances at community events and local markets to give all of our students confidence and stay connected within the community.
Our music program is designed to be a sustainable path of learning, where we take students from one-on-one lessons to joining a band, writing music as a group, and then performing at local community events and recording their original music. In the course of this journey, our students learn teamwork and communication skills while building their confidence, creativity, and accountability, which will benefit them throughout life and enable them to effectively contribute to society. Our business philosophy reflects our sustainability ideas around treating all equipment and materials used in the studio with care and respect, repairing rather than replacing, and minimizing consumables.
We try to get everyone on board with the mindset and the importance of playing their part. For example, we encourage everyone to use reusable mugs provided. We guide our students on reducing waste and recycling accordingly. All the flooring in the studio is carpet tiles salvaged from a closing down shop behind the studio, and we've upcycled e-waste into a tech wall mural, which all of our kids love as an interactive touch wall. And we've turned other waste products into diffusing walls for sound.
We joined the BBP because we love the way it supports sustainability and small business at the grassroots level. We've revolutionised our business practice as a result of sharing ideas at a BBP event with like-minded businesses and people.